What's up guys, I'm so goddamn tired of everything. As you can see, like I said, I couldn't even hit the fucking or whatever. Maybe I need some practice. But I'm saying this Kagama limited edition is a freaking beast. Shaving that ramp. I'm so okay. Like I said. That was a nasty hit. I don't know what I was thinking about. Seems to be in one piece, guys. Problem is I have so hard to nasty back hit again. Okay, we're gonna go for it one more time. No, we're not. Oh. I did some flexing. Still in one piece. Okay, so we've done the zing with the Team Corral Kagama limited edition. Warm, 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 hot as fuel. Not sure if my servo took a dump. That's the way it is. But the car is bone stock besides that servo, because the stock one left the building. I haven't touched this car on a setup wise. Nothing at all. The car is great to drive. My limited number is 390 or 0. So seems perfectly straight, at least what I can see. Everything is in one piece. Just a phenomenal car. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing much to say. But I just think it's a masterpiece. Have everything you need on it, in my opinion. I don't need, you know, aluminium hubs front and rear, blah 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 blah. Don't remember when I broke a such thing, to be honest. Yep, battle scars. God damn, they are sharp. Yeah, 390 is my limited number. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.